given to us. So we can use the second formula. After putting your formulas down, then you now come to the question. Rn or Ra is 3. Rn is 6. Then Rd, our difference. I believe you remember how to find the difference by subtracting the second term or the first term from the second term, or the third term and the second term. So in this case, you are going to get a common number, that is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. So any of the two terms you pick, you arrive at the same answer. Good. So after getting our parameters, we fix them into our formula. Okay. We are solving. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then we come to the main bracket. So 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Great. So this